tractor has new plugs and wires on it, but I'm going to pull the plugs just to look at them, make sure they're gapped properly. When you remove a plug wire, always twist it to get it loose, then pull it off, because if you just pull it off, you could rip the boot. This tractor has the Continental engine on it. The plug gap is 25 thousandths. And this one looks good. On these old spark plugs, you need to make sure that the end is tight on it. You can see that this one was loose, so I'll snug it down with my fingers. This one's a hair wide. I'm going to use some dielectric grease on the plug wires as I put them back together, so that way they'll be easier to remove in the future. That one's not quite wide enough. Alright, so I checked all 4 plugs. I had one where the gap was a little too tight, and I had one where it was a little too wide. Put dielectric grease on all the plug wires. I may take a couple minutes and just try to tidy up the wires a little bit better than what they're stuck on there. Then we still need to do something with the power steering hoses from where we just put them on. I don't know, that may look a little better. Plug wires aren't the greatest fitting set of plug wires. They probably are made to fit several different tractors. I may take them apart later on and shorten them up.